Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I want to talk about replacement DVRs and IP cameras for QSEE video surveillance systems. So specifically in this video, I'm talking about network video recorders and IP cameras. And this is a follow-up video to another one that I made last year where I was saying that most QSEE IP cameras are not ONVIF compliant. That's actually not true. At first, when we started testing, I guess we ran into a number of models that were not ONVIF compliant, but as time went on and we tested more and more QSEE IP cameras, we found that a lot of them actually are. And what does that mean to you? ONVIF is a video standard that makes your IP camera compatible with third-party NVR. So if you have a QSEE IP camera, you don't have to use a QSEE recorder. That's where CCTV Camera Pros comes in. QSEE went out of business last year, and their NVRs and DVRs no longer support remote security camera viewing. So a lot of customers are looking for replacement recorders so they can use their existing cable and cameras and drop in a replacement recorder so they can get their remote viewing and their operations all working again. So I apologize for the video last year incorrectly recording that most QSEE IP cameras are not ONVIF compliant. There are a lot of them that are not, but there are a lot that are, and we can help you determine if yours are compliant and if you can use our Viewtron network video recorders as a replacement so you can get remote access to your cameras working again. A couple things to note. If you currently have your QSEE IP cameras plugged directly into a network video recorder, chances are it's been assigned a static IP address, and if you unplug it and try to plug it into our Viewtron recorder, it's not going to work. So my team can help you when the time comes getting that sorted out and getting it reset so you can get it connected to a new NVR. A lot of times it's difficult for customers to figure out if their cameras are ONVIF compliant. We can help with that. If you want us to give you a hand, email me anytime. I can be reached at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. Send me the make and model of your IP cameras and your NVR, depending on if you need cameras or if you need your recorder replaced. Most people are looking for a replacement recorder, so send me your IP camera models and we can help determine if they're ONVIF compliant. So again, mike@cctvcamerapros.net for any questions. If you want to learn more about our Viewtron network video recorders, they have excellent remote viewing apps and desktop apps for Mac, for Windows, mobile, obviously iPhone and Android. They're free. There's no monthly subscription. There's no licensing. You own everything. If you want to learn more about these systems, please visit www.cctvcamerapros.com/QSEE-IP. Thank you for watching.